Hi, dear students. In this video, we will see some English phrases. Go on. Please go on. That means continue. Please continue. Carry out. Please carry out this job. That way you can use. Please do the job. Set up this work. Set up this lab experiment. Like that you can make use. Pick up that thing. Pick up the thing, take the thing, go back, please go back. Action replay. Come back, my dear friends. After doing it, come back. I can use that way. Go out. If I am angry with you, I can say go out. Point out, my dear friend. Please tell me, my dear friend, what way you can say? Point out, my dear friend. Find out the truth, you can use. Find out the truth. Come up. You can come up in life, my dear friend. You can use that way. You can come up in life. Make up, don't worry. In the next exam, you can make up the marks. You can make up the marks. Take over the charge. Come on, my dear friend. Take over the charge. That way, you can use the takeover. So this way you can make use of all these phrases in simple sentences in very attractive manner. Have a great day. Let us see the next tutorial with more phrases.